Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I will be sharing with you how you can read someone's text messages without installing software on their phones. So, basically, I'm not trying to telling you that spying is good, but whenever it comes for the safety, so we need to get spy. So, spying on other people's phone is not good, but situations comes when we have to do that. So, is it possible that without installing software on their phones that we can read text messages for the reasons like getting access to our kids' smartphones to monitor their activities on the internet, receiving a list of websites your children visits during the day, tracking your spouse location while you suspect them on cheating on you, getting a list of calls on your husband or wife's cell phone, monitoring employees' smartphones to find out if they visit Facebook and what information they hide on their social media websites during their work. So there are many reasons. So if we or you need to found yourself to experience one of these situations, then don't waste your time, my friend. All you need is an excellent, trustworthy spy app on a cell phone without installing software on the target phone. So, first comes how to read someone's text messages. The number one is that now select a program that mostly satisfies all your needs. We means I will try to suggest five apps. Next is that view all instructions carefully, discover requirement as well as the program's function before used, find a software license, text to make sure all rights are reserved. Modern spy apps don't require any special advanced skills. Usually, providers give detailed instruction about their products. Now, if you are going to use paid apps, you should count how much all charges it will be. Third is that check out if the software fits your mobile system. I kindly remind you, please don't forget to find out if the chosen app allows you spy on all programs you want like Skype, Twitter, Facebook, text message, etc. Now download the software from the internet or another source, upload it to the device according to all instructions. Now I will be telling you guys that how you can spy. Now the five I will be sharing with you five apps that will help to view any text messages. Number one is that highester mobile. So this program, if you want to get remote, is the remote control of the smartphone. Now this software can help both the parents as well as the spouse if they want to control their kids as well as if they suspect their partner is cheating. Now, the program is very simple. It has a user friendly, simple interface. It can be used on any device, including smartphones, tablets, or computers. Now, this was the first and number one app, highest or mobile. Second comes the auto forward. Now, view all sent, received, deleted message, or text messages. With its help, parents can identify their kids' abnormal behavior. Employees can detect what information was sent through emails on and social media accounts. Number third comes the M-Spy, a popular and simple app that works as a useful text message spy. It's easy to download and use. It gives a simple possibility to track both phone and internet activities. With this service, users would never understand that they are under control. Number fourth is that Teen Safe. This is a useful application when you think about your children's safety. It will help parents to read someone's text messages on the phone. They can monitor chats on various messengers, including Viber, WhatsApp, etc. This program also provides unique features for monitoring smartphone applications uploaded from trusted source easily and be sure your kids' cell phones are safe. And number last is that Spyra, an excellent powerful program to spy on your partner. You can monitor everything on iPhone or Android device. So basically, I will suggest you to download a free trial version of each and every app. Later, you can choose between the two packages with a bunch of variety features to buy online. This quality software will help you to become a professional detective. So, this was all for today, my friend. Hope it will help you a bit. So, I will request each and everyone I will request each and everyone to please watch the video or listen to the video carefully till end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please, if you found it useful, please to like, share and leave a comment below. I will be sharing with you the link of each and every app which I have told you in the description box. Hope you will find it useful. Thank you, guys.